Hey everybody and welcome, I am Bacon Ninja, welcome to Bacon Ninja FPV. So we took a little family trip, and it's my first family trip where I have drones with me. So it's kind of a new experience. There's a lot of cool places to fly where we went, and I'm going to start out today by just going and scoping a ton of them. Hey, if you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button so you can keep up with all the vlogs and my flight progression. I really appreciate it. The algorithm loves you. Let's go look at places. This town used to be really based on the railroad, and when the railroad died out, what you see behind me here is actually the old railway station for this town, and right across the street from it is this massive hotel that used to be super popular and really, really fancy back in the day, and is totally dilapidated and abandoned now. It looks like a wall dive to me. Yeah, so you can see they got a bunch of like bars, so you can't actually get into the facility. So if you lose your quad in there, your quad is gone permanently. What's this? They have like a fetal incubator and a stretcher. In there. Yeah, you can like see all the rooms are open. It'd be real cool to fly. If I crashed, which there's a high likelihood of crashing for me, there's no way to get in there and get the quad back. Should be kind of an issue. Alright, well I'm going to come back later. I found a couple other spots. I found a abandoned park that I can fly at. They also have some pretty cool school architecture, so we might check that out. We're going to be here a couple of days, so I'll check out a few things before the vlog ends up. We'll see what all we can fly while we're in town. While I'm waiting for everything downtown to close so I can go back to the hotel and do the little bit of diving that I plan on doing, I thought I'd come outside and just run some packs out by the chicken coop, because where we're staying, there's a big bunch of land, so it's kind of open, but it's a cool opportunity to just get some practice in. I don't really get to do that at home very much because I don't live on property, so I have to go drive to places and things. But yeah, I'm just gonna rip a few packs and wait it out till everything closes downtown and head back to that hotel.
I'm gon' ball no picker. That I 8 doors they live for. Talking on my back, go figure. Whole team eats from Spitter. Never was the one to go flicker. No face, no case, no picture. Full place, big stakes, my dinner. Flip that, Canal Street. Flip back. Last week, old money. This week, new racks. Never buy none more. If I can't afford to gift wrap, stunning in your foreign car. You keep riding rental tax. Heard you roll the other lane, we are not the same. Couple thousand in my pocket, this pocket chip. Rubber bands on my arm, this is not for play. I put 20 on the crib while you cop a chain. I know they hated or love it. You know I love when they hate it. Last year was living basic. Haters on the other side. 3 up, read between the lines. Know I got some angels with me. Made it through some evil time. Late night on some demon time. Pour the Sprite, I need a line. I can't lock it, see the line. Freeze time. Brainstorm, you can assume with your chains on. I can see none with the lights off. Cap, you been the main one. Coolin' when I got my mains on. Show money, but those aren't the same ones. I been told you that it was game on. Been winning since I was on game one. Telling me how to live and you made me. Go dumb and I blame you made me. Money longer than a grown-up baby. Scared crazy and new Mercedes.
Alright, so I got a little loose on that turn and totally backed my quad into the tree I'm standing under. The tree protected me from certain death, though, so thank you. Thank you, tree, for protecting me from death from my own quad. Yeah, I slid backwards a little further than I was anticipating, so there were a little bit of casualty in that I did blow a prop completely off the hub, just disintegrated it. I keep looking for pieces, but I can't find it. Also, the zip ties that hold on my ELRS receiver, completely busted, and that's the one thing that I don't have any extras of. So, let me show you. So yeah, this is where my ELRS antenna is, and I have it on a zip tie, but it's normally zip tied to this TPU mount, and it totally busted those off. This is what it should look like, because I have 2 quads, right? So this is how I normally have it attached. You see there's a couple of zip ties holding it in place. However, my stupid self, I didn't pack any micro zip ties with me, and I could fly my backup quad, but I don't think it's broken enough for that, and I have time to fix it. So I'm gonna run to the hardware store and gonna pick up some micro zip ties. There's only one hardware store in this little town, so let's go see what they have. I think he's driving me somewhere. It's weird. She never drives anywhere. Well, you drive places, just not, you don't drive me places. It's kind of scary.
Yeah, you should be.
This is scarier than drones. This is much scarier than drones. I'm the driver of the family. She never drives, but we're in her hometown, so she's driving. And the boy's asleep, and my wallet and keys are in there with him, so I'm not getting them.
He's asleep.
So we may or may not make it. I'll let you know.
Rude.
Didn't die, but I did get zip ties. We also found some nuts. Carolina Nut Company's smoky mozzarella peanuts.
Smoky nuts.
My wife, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, so we're gonna try these later, but first I'm gonna go home and fix my quad. Yeah. She doesn't care. Alright, so we made it back. Gonna fix up my quad. The chickens are gonna help me out. Right, chickens? Yeah? They're not super helpful. Anyway, time to fix this thing. Well, it's finally golden hour, and we decided to come back to do the wall dive, and Nikki's gonna be my designated spotter. Her first time spotting. Always use a spotter, kids. It's the law. And Nikki has gotten dinner stains all over herself, so yeah.
Wow.
She's the messiest eater. Anyway, I'm gonna get all my stuff together, and we're gonna dive this wall over here.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 stick, you can get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 stick, you can get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hater plotting my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac probably dollar sign. Got the energy to win in my I'm feeling great. Got a date with destiny, focusing on my fate. I don't give a fuck what you rapping, you been a fake. I'm everything that they ain't, it can't be, it won't be. Wanna see me fall, I can't go, I won't leave. Coming from the block with plain clothes and police. Straight up to the top with bankrolls and rollies. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 stick, you can get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 stick, you can get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ay, 12 can't really stop. So I'm still pushing like a mosh pit.
Alright, so that was just one pack, and I got a few wall dives in. They're not the world's best, but that's my first one, so congratulations, you watched me do my first wall dives. Yeah, this spot's a little sketch because all the windows are open, like you see all the open windows in there, but inside the interior, like we showed you earlier, it's all barred off with big iron bars, so if my drone gets anywhere near the building and I can't get it back, I am screwed. And some of that stuff I probably couldn't turtle mode out of because it's like overgrowth down there. So I don't want to lose my only GoPro with all the footage on it. So I'm not going to fly there too much more. Maybe I might not even do another pack, but we did find this interesting bottle of yellow liquid. I'm not going to identify that. I'm going to hope it's some kind of like pineapple Fanta. Yeah, there's some signs back here too. Like you find all the good stuff in abandoned places. What's this? As long as there's no snakes. We are totally in rattlesnake country, so you never know. But there's some dilapidated signage, it looks like, right there, and some chain. You know, tons of good stuff out here. I hear a lot of grasshoppers. Nikki hates grasshoppers, so I'm real excited for that. What do you find? Engineering fire risk assessment.
From the road.
That's hot. Hey, look, there's a drill bit. Check this out.
I'm not getting it.
Nah, that's a really good drill bit. That's a hell of a drill bit, man. That's a good bit. Why would somebody leave this bit here?
Oh, because it belongs to the railroad.
It's not even burnt out. It's my drill bit now, bro. Anyway, I don't know. We may go home to the kids or we may go to the park. I gotta decide. But either way, you're gonna see one or the other. You're either gonna see me tomorrow or you're gonna see me at the park. So let's just do that. So we decided to go to the park after all. Nikki and I actually got engaged in this park a long time ago. I won't say how long ago. A while ago. It's been many years.
Shh! Stop talking about it!
Anyway, there's a pretty cool little like disc golf course over here that nobody uses because this town is basically like everything's abandoned, but they at least keep it mowed. So I'm gonna go mess around in the trees. Should be easy.
I don't understand why you're thinking of. You had me at a low. I don't understand why you're thinking of. You had me at a low. I don't understand why you're
Well, I just got done telling Nikki why you don't fly the last pack of the day, because it's super cursed, and then I started flying the pack and I thought I'm just going to go easy, and then I didn't go easy, and then I said out loud, and this is how I break stuff, and then as you saw, I ended up in a tree. My ND filter flew off, but we did find it, and I lost a camera mount. However, I did not break any props, so I've had worse. But yeah, it's time to go home. I probably won't add any footage tomorrow to the vlog, it's family day, but I will catch up with you as soon as we get back to our house. So we made it home from our trip. I actually just got done editing all the footage. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog and all the flights in it. I did a little bit of flying yesterday that I'm going to put right on the end here. It's just some long range that I did with my Novice 4. I switched that out with Express LRS instead of FR Sky, so it actually has some range now. But yeah, check that footage out if you want. It's coming up right after I talk. But thank you all very much for watching. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and keep up with my flight journey and these vlogs. I hope you're enjoying the vlogs. And until next time, I will catch you later. Now go watch this.